how to change Google search results and Google products language back to English. The first thing you need to do is open up your browser and navigate to google.com. Once you're here, guys, you'll immediately notice that Google is most likely in a language that you're not as fluent in. As you can see, guys, for me it's in French. And if I left click on the search box here and search for something, so for example, I'm going to type hello and then I'm going to search for it, you can see that the search results are in French. I'm just going to go back now to google.com. Okay, so if you're also experiencing this issue, to fix it, then the first thing you need to do on google.com, navigate to the bottom right hand corner here to the text furthest to the bottom right hand corner. In English, guys, this will say settings. Of course, this is most likely in a language that you're not as fluent in. Left click on this text, you'll then be greeted with a small menu. The option that we're looking for, guys, is search settings, which will be at the very top here. Left click on the first option here. Once done, you'll be taken to your search settings. Navigate to the left hand side here. The search setting that we're looking for is languages, and that is the second option from the top here out of all the search settings. Once you've found the second option here, simply left click on it. You'll now be in the languages section. At the top here, Google asks you which language should Google products use, and at the bottom here, Google says currently showing search results in. So as you can see, guys, for both these options, the current language chosen is French and French. To change the language for both options, guys, you'll only need to change it for the very top option here. So under the first option here, which says which languages should Google products use, you're going to pick your desired language. For me, guys, it's going to be English. As you can see, English is right here for me, guys. If the language that you wanted is not here, guys, simply navigate to this blue text here and left click on the arrow. Once you've done that, guys, you should see more languages that you can select from. Again, for this video demonstration, we're going to be going with English, so I'm simply going to left click on English. Once you've done that, scroll all the way down to the very bottom and you should see two buttons here, one in blue, one in white. The option that we want, guys, is the one in blue. Simply left click on it. Once you've done that, guys, you'll be greeted with a little notification from Google at the top here. Simply left click on OK. Once you've done that, guys, you'll be taken back to Google search. And as you can see, everything now is in English, and if we search for something, so if I left click on this text box here and I search again for the word hello and hit enter, you can now see that our search results are now in English. Alright, guys, that pretty much concludes the video on how to change Google search results and Google products language back to English. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let